Hey guys, how's it going? So welcome back to the channel. In today's video I have a new item to review, and these are computer speakers. So this will be the first time I actually do a speaker review, so hopefully this isn't too bad. So these speakers are from the company called Jeecoo, and these are their M20 RGB speakers, and they usually run for around $30, so it's not too bad. So I'm going to do the usual by unboxing it and then showing how to set them up, and that's pretty much it. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's see what comes in the box. So what comes in the box is the instructions. So this pretty much shows how to set everything up properly. And then you get the two speakers, and they are already wired together. There's a decent amount of slack there. And then you also have a USB plug to plug into your computer to get it to work, or you could even plug it into an outlet and connect to it wirelessly to get it to work that way as well, say if you're going to use your phone instead. Okay, so I'm going to take this USB end and plug it into my computer to see what these speakers are like.
USB mode.
Oh, okay. So there's RGB right here on the top. That's not too bad. Okay, so now we're going to go over the control knob on top of this speaker. And it's very easy to use. So the first thing is, if you hold it for 3 seconds, it will turn off. Hold it for 3 more seconds, it will turn back on.
USB mode.
So if you want to change the RGB, all you got to do is click it once. And there's a bunch of different options you can choose from. And then they also have a no RGB mode if you prefer that route as well. So if you double click it, it actually changes it into Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode.
And then if you double click it again,
USB mode.
it goes back into the USB mode. If you turn the knob up here, this is actually how you control the volume. So you can turn it up or down easily. Or you can just control it from your computer as well. So the last thing to show is you could have it set up either as like a speaker setup, or you can actually slide these two into each other and have it set up as a soundbar. And I completely missed there. And have it set up like that. So to set these speakers up, it's actually very simple. If you're going to use it on a computer, just stick that USB end and plug it into a USB port onto your computer. And then all you're going to do is go into your sound settings and pretty much change your output device to the Jeecoo M20, and that is pretty much it. So if you're going to use the speakers and connect them to your phone or any other Bluetooth capable device, it's very simple. Like I was saying, all you're going to do is just tap that control knob on top of the speaker twice, wait for the prompt to say it's in discovery mode, and then all you got to do is go into your phone settings, go to your Bluetooth menu, and just wait for it to populate and then just connect it that way. And it's pretty simple to operate. So another thing that's nice about these speakers is, as you can see they are set up behind me, is say if you don't want to use it in your computer, you can pretty much take them anywhere else, as long as you have a plug to power them and a Bluetooth capable device such as phone or tablet or whatever you got. So for a little bit I've been watching some YouTube videos and listening to some music and stuff like that. And I really don't have any complaints about these speakers. They actually sound pretty clean, so no complaints from me. So the one thing that has me excited about these speakers is, while I'm actually doing my post-production stuff, while I'm editing videos, it gives me another option to listen to it through speakers since I don't have any. Usually I just use my headset and listen to it through my phone, so hopefully this will improve my video qualities, but probably not. So only time will tell though. So for $30, these speakers are really not that bad. So if you're actually interested in purchasing them, I will leave a link down below. Just keep in mind that link actually helps this channel out as well. So that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.